Okay, so this happens when you have a tonneau cover like I have, and I have the sturdy one, the metal one for my Hyundai Santa Cruz. But when it's getting super icy and then the snow freezes over, like in my case, you can practically not open the tonneau cover at all. You can open the tailgate if you're lucky, but the tonneau cover, there is no chance to open that. You see how thick that is, and that's actually all the way through here. So just to make you aware, you cannot, if you live in conditions like we live, use that during winter, because the snow actually is piling up there, then a little bit snow melts on there, and then it ices overnight. And so you basically just have a trunk like with an ordinary car, I'd say. What I want to say, I saw some reports where people said that the Hyundai Santa Cruz is not so capable when you drive it in snow, and I have to say that's absolutely not true at all. So this car, so I have the four-wheel drive version of that. It's actually pretty good in snow, and you see we have like a lot of snow and ice there, and the tires, the Michelin tires, are pretty good. So if you consider buying one, I'd say the four-wheel drive is good. It's not as good as our cheap Grand Cherokee, to be honest, but I never got stuck in the snow and ice. That's perfect. The only thing I realized, on the other side, on the driver's side, the door is kind of iced. It just opens halfway. I don't want to open it now. I don't want to break it. So for whatever reason, that iced. And as I said, the tonneau cover, you cannot use it during winter when it's iced. I wouldn't say that's a design flaw. It's just the way it is, but just want to make you aware of that fact.